Okay, now here they tell no simplify to this, right? Now I will show you doing like this. Now this one, right? This one, I will factorize here. No, this one I can replace with the factorized format, factorized way. So I can write the same thing using factors. This also I can factorize. So sometime when you have to simplify this kind of algebraic fractions, what you need to do, factorize this, and write the factorized answer for these two places, and you can simplify. So let's see factorize this first. So I will do it here. X square, okay, I will write it again, 3x minus 10. How to factorize this? Yeah, we know this one into this we need to multiply, right? Okay, if I write it here, x square into, okay, I will explain here, x square into minus 10, so it will be minus 10 x square. First term multiply with the last term. So here minus 10, how you can get, when you multiply two number and when you add that two number you must get minus 3. So you have to think about that. So okay, I will give kind of tricks here. First of all, don't consider about the sign, just think how you can make 10 by multiplying two number, and when you add or subtract, how to make 3, just 3, don't consider about minus 3 first. So here must be 5 into 2, and when you subtract here, 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, this is match. Then after, if you have no idea, keep mind, if this is minus, one should be minus, one should be plus. So here if you have your minus, most of the time this bigger one should be minus and this should be plus. If you have no idea, that way you can use a tricks. Otherwise you have to think, when you multiply this 2 sign with this sign, minus 5 into plus 2, you can get minus 10. If you add together minus 5 plus 2, it will be minus 3. So these are the two numbers, right? Now we can factorize it. But the x square, that means this term I will write again. Here for the 3 minus 3x, I will write this two number. That means minus 5 and with this letter, the x, and plus 2 with this letter. Correct? No? Minus 5x plus 2x mean minus 3x. If you simplify this, then here will be minus 10. Now if you factorize here, right, these two separately, what the common for this both? It is x. Then here will be x minus 5. This is just, you can write actually, after you get this two number, you can write x minus 5 and x plus 2. Like this way, directly you can write the factorized answer. Or if you have no idea, do this way. Replace this with this two number, then plus 2 here. What the common for this two? Plus 2. So here x and here minus 5. When you get to 2 to outside from this 2. So here will be x minus 5 common and here x plus 2 common. This is common both place. I have explained this type of situation in other question very detailed. You can check those video and get the idea here. So this is the factorized answer for this. Okay, then what the factorized answer for what the for this one, right? Okay, I will do it here, right? It's very simple, that's why x square minus 25, no, right? Here difference of 2 square, so here will be x square, and 25 mean minus 25 mean you can write as 5 square. Now square minus square, so that mean when you get like this, you can write directly your answer, x minus 5 and x plus 5. This is the answer for that. Okay, that means this one, right? Okay, this is the answer for that. Now I can write this one, I can replace this one with this answer, and this one I can replace with this answer. So I will write it here. I can write what the x minus 5, x plus 5, and for this one I can write these two answer, what the x minus 5 and x plus 2. Now you can see here x minus 5, here x minus 5, both are same, so you can cut. Then your final answer will be x plus 5 over x plus 2. That's the simplified answer.